Dr. Pooja Tripathi, again, this question is for you. Again, the same, premise on which the opposition is fighting its case. Tomorrow is when the petitions are going to be submitted in front of the Supreme Court as well. Again, the issue, it is being rumored, it is being talked about as per reports. This is about the territory, the region of Simanchal that is bordering Nepal, and there are a lot of infiltrators, illegal migrants who enter into Bihar through that border. This process, this exercise by the Election Commission is going to eliminate them, because they are not the actual voters, they are not the actual citizens of the country, they are illegal migrants that have entered unlawfully. How do you respond to BJP's remarks on this?
I think first of all, I would like to say Mr. Kuntal Krishna should provide a proof that Congress and RJD are, using illegal migrants for as their vote banks. I think you come on TV, make some absurd comments and just go away. This won't happen. You should furnish some proof for it. Megha, this exercise, the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar is not only ill-timed, just few days after, elections would be announced in Bihar. It also reminds us of the disruptive time of demonetization when state exerted its power to induce mass anxiety among voters. We are talking of Bihar. 1/10 of people, around 78 lakh people, migrate outside for work, employment, anything. And these are the people. And then Bihar faces ravaged floods every year, wiping off villages and everything. And then you are demanding 11 documents. And you're not accepting the Aadhaar or the NREGA card, which are kind of universal. I would like to quote Baba Saheb Ambedkar here, who said that universal adult franchise is principal to the fundamental to the functioning of democracy, and it gives a right. You have an universal adult franchisee, I have and a Mahadalit has it. Somebody who is a migrant worker has it. A woman across caste and community has it. Muslims have it. Everyone has it. This unites us all as an Indians. And now when you look at the documents shared, now when these questions have been raised about documents, Election Commission comes and modifies its own judgment. But look at the number of documents here, barring Aadhaar card and the barring NREGA card. There's an inherent social bias in the judgment. Employment, property rights, this reeks of privileges, and we are talking about Bihar, where majority of the people are marginalized, majority of the peoples don't have the sufficient documents. You have left the decision making, the discretion at the hands of the BLOs, and who are yet to determine who will be citizen and who will be not. And how does an Election Commission has a right to determine? Election Commission is a body to supervise the elections, not decide somebody's citizenship.
Okay.
And when provide those documents, you were asking about the backdoor and RC, and I would like to thank Krishnamurthy sir. He was very, very prudent, and he repeated it 3 times. I hope my learned friend also heard it, that any activity, any reform that you plan to take up should include any format, any documentation, any timing, should be in consultation with all political parties. None of the political parties were consulted here.
Okay.
So not
Okay.
let's